Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to create the data structure which will allow us to display something in our table once we have it up and running. So I'm going to go to File, New File. Sorry, I was in QuickTime. File, New File. And this time we want a Swift file, not a Cocoa Touch class. We want a Swift file. Okay, I'm going to call this weather. And I'm going to insert it into my project. Okay, so I now have my weather file. I'm going to set up my class object, so class weather. Okay, we're going to have properties for this object. The first one will be min temp, which will be a double. We're going to have the max temp, which will be a double. We're going to have the city, so the closest city where we're going to present it to, that's going to be a string. We're going to have a description, because minimum maximum temperature doesn't always show what the weather is actually going to be like. Then we're also going to have longitude and latitude. This means we could do some mapping later on and sort of display where we want the weather to be. Okay, after this, look, we're getting a little error already. We need to have an initializer. So create our initializer. Okay, we want to have min temp, max temp, city, description, longitude, and latitude. So these are all the things that we need to initialize when we create the new instance of this object. Okay, then we set these. So self dot. Actually, I'll just copy these and make it a little bit quicker. All right, so self dots are referring to the one up here. Self dot, self dot, self dot. Okay, and then we're going to set these to the parameter that's being passed. Okay, so now we have our close. Right, so now we have our initializer and we have set these to our properties and we're ready to go to enter this data.